Whoa, look at this mirror. It needs to be changed. Good thing I found one at the junkyard. And I found that it was easy just by doing this. Okay, no, I didn't break it. I just found it the easiest way to take it off. As you can see here. Okay, there's a screw there, you gotta take it out. So let's take that out. Move that screw, because that screw is gonna go back on top of the other piece here. So I gotta take that out too. Can you see? Let's see. Don't lose your screws. Two. Last one. Let's see here. Oh! Like I said, don't lose it. I just lost it. Okay. And I found it. And that's what I get for trying to hold the camera and remove the screw. Okay. Take this cover piece off here. Okay. Try to do one here. That's off. And that's what you're left with there. Get your new mirror. Okay. Get your plate that was on the top there. Oh man, I'm dropping everything. Alright, I keep dropping stuff, so hopefully that'll hold. I need two hands with this. So, here's your new mirror. This was the piece that was up top. So go ahead, put this back on here like so. Okay. And get your washer lock thing here. Put it back on top. Get your screw that I dropped earlier, I found. Put that back on top. Okay. So get that snug. Okay. And remember those 3 screws you took out from up here? Just put it back. Alright, well, here, this is what I'm gonna do. Get your 1 screw at least started here. You get it up there. Oh, I wish I had 3 hands. Jeez. Alright. Let's go. Let's try this again. Hold that up there. Alright, I got 1 in there. Let's put the other 2. Let's put this up. Let's get the other ones in. Alright, screw the screws in, get it nice and snug. Okay, and your cover piece, what do I do with it? Oh, here it is. Put this back on, and you're done. That's it, easy, easy. Cool. New mirror.